Hello students, today we discuss about advantages and disadvantages of friction. This topic related to your physics book. Now we first discuss about advantage of friction. Friction help us in walking. How it help us in walking? We will not be able to walk. We will not be able to walk if there is a no friction between the sole of our shoes and the ground. We will slip. Instead, we will slip. It is the force of friction which help us to push the ground backward, and hence we move in the forward direction. It is for the same reason that it becomes difficult to walk on highly polished floor. It becomes difficult to walk. It becomes difficult to walk on highly polished floor or wet ground or stand as they offer less friction. Friction also help in vehicle are able to move safely on road due to friction. Vehicles are able to safely on roads due to friction. The moving vehicles such as bicycle, car, scooter, etc. stop due to the force of friction between the brakes shoes against the moving wheel rims. Moving wheel rims. Friction also allow us to hold object with our hand. With our hand, it is the force of friction which hold nails and a screw in the wooden furniture. In the wooden furniture. Now we discuss about the next advantage, which is which one is a force allow us to write on paper. Friction allows us to write on paper. The writing on a paper with pencil or a pen, it is possible only only on the account of friction because it does not allow the pencil and pen to slip on paper. It does not allow the pencil or a pen to slip on paper. Now we discuss the disadvantage of friction. Friction produces heat. Friction produces heat. How it produces heat? Friction produces heat. Fast moving machine produce large amount of heat which damages their moving part. Now friction produces wear and tear. It produces wear and tear. Friction wear out the moving part of machinery. It also heat up the moving part. It also heat up the moving part and they need replacement from time to time. A lot of energy is wasted due to friction. Force of friction increase with weight of object. Thus we have to spend a lot of energy to move heavy object such as truck, railway, loads. Thank you class.